I'm making the Italian pasta with vegetables in my Best Me group. Look how lovely that is. These are all spring veggies except for those onions, but onions are needed. And the garlic is from my garden. And then the pasta and spinach. A little bit of Parmesan and some beans. This is gonna be yummy. And I'm adding basil. I meant to say they're summer veggies, and the reason I'm using wheat noodles tonight is because they're an Italian pasta, and so they don't affect my gut in the negative way that pasta does that has glyphosate, like American pasta. Usually I do a chickpea pasta. There it is, ready to serve up. I wish you could smell that with the fresh garlic and basil. Mmm.